everybody, and welcome to my shop. This week I'm working on a project that I wanted to build for the past 7 years probably. I want to build a mobile sound system on a bicycle. I haven't done it so far because I know nothing about audio, and it's actually something I wanted to work really well. So I needed a good collaboration partner. This guy is an expert in car, hi-fi, audio, everything that has to do with sound, but the problem is he's very, very busy. Now, thanks to Dropbox, who are the sponsor of this video, we could collaborate without being in the shop together. Let's get started by picking the bike and then seeing how much audio we can pack on it. This is the perfect bike for my project. The only problem is the saddle. It is in the way, but I think I might have an idea. Almost ready to go, and now the next step would be to build a huge speaker. The problem is I know nothing about building speakers, but a friend of mine does. Patrick and I are collaborating on a Dropbox paper document without even being in the same shop. This is the Dropbox paper that I set up for him, and it includes all the specifications that I know from my side. So it has the size of the speaker, it has my power source with a link to it and another picture, it has a timetable and a wish list and a link to a pretty cool documentary that I found. Now, if you're wondering why I'm collaborating with Patrick, take a quick look at this video. Now, Patrick did his calculations and he sent me pictures. So this is the exact infos that I need to have in order to build the most efficient speaker for my power source. So let's print these plans and get to it. bike is prepared and all the parts are here. Patrick made a shopping list for me and put it in the Dropbox, so I knew exactly which parts we need to get the most out of our speakers. Now it's time to assemble everything and hope that it works. So far, so good. So this is the finished Boombike and I'm so happy with this. I didn't expect it to come out that nice. Basically, in the back we have all our speakers and a giant subwoofer. We secured everything with these military ratchet straps, so it's pretty solid. And then I made this little roof that you can also take down. Oop, go to the other side. This little roof that you can also take down. And then it says Boombike. Since the driver doesn't have the speakers there in the back, which is a good thing because this thing is so loud, you could probably not drive it with the stereo at full blast, but we added a little monitor speaker, so when you're driving you still know what's going on. And inside we hid most of the technical stuff because once it's set up you don't need it anymore, but this is the heart of the whole project. That's this Go Zero power bank. And then we have a little mixer that we can attach various devices to, and that's all we ever need to change. In case you're wondering how long this battery will last, we actually don't know, but we have been shooting all day and it has this display where it tells you approximately how much longer it will go. We had this run all day and it's still up to almost 30 hours. We started with 40 hours. This is a solar battery, so you can just bring your solar panel and recharge it. So it's pretty much unlimited loudness. Okay, now let's see how loud we can go. This is not loud at all.